What does every young guy dream of? Back in the day, getting on a motorbike, going into the hills, up in the mountains and leaving society. Well, I'm actually doing something similar to that tomorrow. We're taking a little motorbike with a guide up through the mountains, through some insane passes, through valleys. I've not rode a bike in a good few years, so I'm slightly nervous. But on top of that, if any of you have seen how the Vietnamese drive, is similar to India. So fingers crossed, wish me luck guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm still getting used to the motorbike so far, but it's awesome, man. We're up in the hills now, just enjoying a nice coffee. We're going to go again, show you guys the view.
You take a while,
Yeah.
1 hour to finish one coffee.
Really? For me, I drink so quick. Yeah.
Like with beer.
Thank you, man. What view, man? Say hello to the camera. This is our guide today. What's your name, brother?
My name Viet.
Vietnam. He's the best motorbike rider in the whole of Vietnam.
Just beginning.
I'm training. Not a bad place to stop for a coffee. What's your thoughts on my riding skills so far? Not so good. We're learning. Just come up to the waterfall now. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'll show you guys around. Got changed into the old swimming suit. Gonna go for a little dip. How is the water, brother? He's tired. Hey. Oh, you don't know how good that feels after so long of just riding in the heat.
Hello.
Hello. You guys are in the vlog as well. I'll make sure the sunglasses are away. Yeah, I'm so glad I'm finally done this. This is insane. There's so many people just cooling off in the water after so many hours of just riding the bike. That's exactly why I know the motorbike guide is such a pain in the ass, yeah, but really get on my way down. Well, yeah, this life is only possible since I've given up out there. If I was still drinking and kind of doing all the shit I used to do every weekend, no chance would I be able to have the finances, the ambition, or the drive to learn a skill to be able to leave my 9 to 5. So if you feel that's holding you back as well, I'll leave a link in the description. Drop me a message, we can hop on a call, and I'll show you how I can help you get free. Okay. Yeah, was a really good ride down from the waterfall. We've just come down to the beach. I'll show you around in a sec. It's like a public holiday, in fact. So the beach is meant to be busy, but it's still pretty quiet. So yeah, what a place, beautiful. So we got 4 eggs, rice, sweet and sour sauce, and a whole fish. Gonna be full after this, boys. Yeah. That was a lot sketchier coming up the hill, but yeah, really great ride. I'm kind of getting used to the bike now. This is meant to be an old military defense. Let's push me around. What place? We're just walking up to the very bit on top. I think this is where they used to kind of see all the enemy troops coming. The monkeys are quite angry, are they? Sometimes. Yeah.
You would have to and good.
Just going to have a look at the monkeys. Saw them earlier. There seems to be a family. Tree rice.
Yeah, okay.
Trung Quốc ở đấy. Anh ơi chắc là chụp à này quá nước bao ra chưa ra ơi ơi ăn ngon thế từ là cái rồi đó ấy nào bên kia cũng là xin ăn ở đây được vào rồi người ta được bữa ăn sao nó không thấy trên tay có bánh bao được bao rồi cho tôi sạch.
Good.
Have you seen the film Hangover? You know Hangover? Yeah, so that was an absolutely amazing day. I can't recommend that enough. If any of you guys are in Vietnam, hire a bike for a day. Make sure you do it guided, because I think by yourself you would get lost. That was an absolute nightmare in terms of finding directions and stuff. But yeah, had to give the guy a big tip. Most friendly guide ever. And it was a private tour. It wasn't meant to be. I thought it was going to be a group, but it was literally just me. So remember guys, they earn absolute peanuts out here. So anything you can give to help, it may be in something small for you, but it's massive to them. So I'll see you guys next week.